Okay, so now actually the last thing to do is to set up our awning. Now with this awning, the first thing we have to do is loosen the bottom black nut here, okay, and then we also push this little piece up here, flick that out on both ends. Now to put the awning in mode to bring it out, we slide up this little lever here, which unlocks the awning barrel, and then there's a little hook here that we put into the strap here. Pull that out. Now sometimes this happens. Pull that out like that. Put that back into there so you don't lose it. And then we just pull the awning all the way out. Now both ends here are the same. What we do is we just slide this up here, and that locks in up the top here. And we'll do that at the other end as well. Now, once they're locked in, we can extend the awning arm out to lift it up. So to do that, we just lift up this lever here, and then instead of using the lever, slide the bar up, and we lock it into one of these holes. There's the highest hole. Same at the other end. And then once that's up, we just put a little bit of pressure on here, tighten this here up. That'll stop it sort of lifting up in the wind. A bit of pressure on that. Tighten that up. Now, this is where we sort of need the ladder again, because up here there's some anti-flap to stop this here sort of flicking around. So just loosen that off, open those up, slide the canvas in between there, and tighten that up again. Just do that on both ends. Pull that over. This up here to stop it flapping around. And that's basically our awning done. Put our ladder away and grab our chairs and enjoy. The only thing with the awning is if there's any wind around or pretty much anything more than just light drizzle, we need to bring the awning in, because otherwise the water pools in here and it actually bends this bar here, it collapses. So to save any damage to the awning, if there's any wind around or basically rain, we need to bring the awning back in. Okay, so that's setting up the awning. Now we'll go straight into taking the awning and packing it back up. So basically the reverse of when we set it up. First of all, we'll get our strap here all ready. Okay, grab our ladder again, undo the anti-flap, basically put them away. While we're here, we can loosen this here. There's a little hole there that the nut goes back into. Loosen that, and again the same thing is we just lift this lever out. When we leave, that takes the pin out of the hole, and then that'll slide down where it hits the little nut bit. Same with the other end. Now just on the top of here, there's a little stainless steel latch. You just push that sideways into the little hole, and then this will slide back down. now we're ready to roll it up. Just sort of make sure everything's come off it. Now, to let it back up, we hang on to the strap here. Okay, so now to roll it back up, I usually just push down here on this little latch here, that releases that, but hold this at the same time, because now it's going to automatically roll back up against the van like that. Now once that's against the van, we just put in our little locking latch here to stop the pole coming out, and we also have to remember to tighten up that bottom black nut. Otherwise, if you forget to do that up, as you drive down the road, they rattle and vibrate and they fall out and they disappear. And then, yeah, put our ladder away, I guess, and that's how to put the awning back in. Thanks.